Welcome to Mr. Pronunciation Guide, where we master the art of pronouncing some of the world's most commonly mispronounced words. From tricky terms to curious names, we have you covered. Today let us dive in and learn how to say المغرب. The Arabic name of Morocco is a country in northwest Africa, located on the Mediterranean and Atlantic coasts. Its capital is Rabat, official languages are Arabic and Berber, and the currency is the Moroccan dirham. Morocco is known for its diverse geography, including the Atlas Mountains, deserts, long coastlines, historic cities like Fes, Marrakech, Casablanca, and rich culture. المغرب المغرب المغرب. Check out more videos on pronouncing tricky words and names with confidence. Avoid common mispronunciations with tips from this video. If you found it helpful, I would love your support. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon.